What's driving the next big say for Indian industry? After the strong response to ABB's large frame IE5 induction motors launched in Bengaluru this September, ABB has now brought the same breakthrough efficiency to mid-frame motors with a new launch in Faridabad. To share the story behind this move, we are joined by Mr. Rohit Tandon, who is the Divisional Sales Manager for low voltage motors in ABB India. So, sir, after the successful launch of your large frame IE5 induction motors in Bengaluru in September 2025, you are now launching this IE5 induction motors in mid-frame. What does this launch mean for ABB's growth strategy and India portfolio?
Yeah, this is a very important question because what are we doing today? We are essentially completing what we started in September. Okay, in September the launch was from 55 kilowatt to 1000 kilowatt. Today we are launching from 7.5 kilowatt to 55 kilowatt. So now we have the complete portfolio of IE5 motors, right from 5.5 kilowatt to 1000 kilowatt. Now what does it mean to us? See, over the years, if you have observed and you have followed ABB closely, so you must be aware that ABB is a company which is very proud of its technology. Okay. We have been pioneers in bringing i4 motors to India. And in the same way, now we have pioneered in bringing i5 technology to India. So this is the pole position in the space of energy efficiency that we want to maintain. This launch, what does it bring to Indian industry? So it opens a new era of energy efficiency for Indian industry. We have never been near. We have never used motors which are efficient to this extent. And these motors, they will not only be more efficient than the earlier ones, they will also run cooler. So in the sense, they will have longer working life. They will be maintenance free. There will be lesser breakdowns. So these motors will bring Indian industry at par with global industry.
So with the launch of IE5 mid-frame induction motors, which are the core industries you are targeting?
So the beauty of these motors is that they can be used anywhere. You know, these are the motors that we know we have been using since ages. But still, I would say we should use these motors where saving potential is maximum. That is in process industries, maybe in metals, in mining, in paper, in chemical industries, water, you know, where motors are run 24/7, food and beverage. So there is no particular industry, I would say, I can point out where these motors cannot be used. So they are there for every purpose, for every segment, but I think process industries is the best.
So what is the efficiency level, like how much lesser energy it will consume from its earlier range of I2 to I3?
So as a thumb rule, when you change a efficiency level, the losses are cut down from 15% to 20%. So these motors will have lesser losses as compared to i4 motors by 15 to 20%.
So does this launch reflect ABB's increasing focus on localization and make in India manufacturing?
Yes, you can say that because i5 motors are state-of-art technology in Finland, and I think these were launched earlier in 2025 from our European plants, and you can see that within a year these motors are available from Indian factories. So there is a lot of focus on India by ABB, and maybe Indian industry, Indian economy, we deserve this also. But then hats off to management that India is prime focus for ABB globally.
IE5 was rolled out from Bangalore. Now today, this IE5 for mid-frame is being launched from Faridabad facility. How important is this particular facility for ABB's business?
So this is our oldest plant. Faridabad is our oldest plant in India. This was the factory which started production maybe around 75 years back. And over the years, we have seen this plant developing. Because it's a legacy plant, this plant is known to almost everyone throughout the industry. And when we add a new product, a latest generation of product in this plant, it has its own charm. you can say. The customers are very attracted whenever we are launching a new product from Faridabad.
And most important is, sir, how would you describe market readiness, in India for IE5 motors?
India has the largest capacity to absorb latest technology, whether it is iPhones or electric motors or electric cars, whatever. And here, it's not only the latest technology, it's also saving that is associated with it. And in India, energy cost is a big cost in industry. So I would say we could have launched it earlier also.